and a very warm welcome. You are watching Janata Television and this is the English Bulletin with me, Anustha Acharya. The top stories first. Supreme Court orders government to prepare a work plan to protect people's lives. Direct government authorities to ensure citizens get access to oxygen and basic medicines. Coronavirus claims 214 lives across the country. Number of active cases climbs to 113,000. Inclement weather affects mountain climbing since Thursday. Meteorologists warn weather could further worsen due to cyclonic in Arabian Sea. US President calls for ceasefire in Gaza. American government working with Egypt and other countries to halt hostilities. And Sergio Aguero likely to miss Champions League final. The prolific striker faces fitness test to get selected in City squad. And now the news in detail. The Supreme Court has issued an order in the name of government to prepare a work plan within 7 days to protect the lives of its citizens from the pandemic. Responding to a writ petition filed by Advocate Manish Kumar Shrestha, a single bench of Justice Nahakul Subedi issued such order and also directed the government to submit a progress report every 15 days. The Apex Court order states that the government must submit the progress report to the monitoring division of the Supreme Court every fortnight until the pandemic comes to an end. The Supreme Court also ruled that the government cannot shy away from its duty under any pretext. The order also directs the government to ensure that every citizen gets access to treatment including oxygen support and basic medicines. It further tells the government to ensure that the citizens are not sent back from hospitals without treatments. Coronavirus has claimed 214 lives across the country in a single day, a report. The government yesterday confirmed 214 deaths across the country due to coronavirus. With this, the death toll has climbed to 5,215. The Ministry of Health and Population also reported 9,198 new cases of coronavirus across the country through PCR tests. The total cases of coronavirus in the country have climbed to 464,218, while the number of active cases has increased to 113,480. According to the ministry, altogether 345,523 infected persons have recovered from the disease in the country so far. Nepal is currently among the top 43 countries that have been most affected by the pandemic. The USA tops the list with over 33.71 million confirmed cases, followed by India with more than 25.16 million cases. Coronavirus has infected more than 164 million people across the world and claimed over 3.39 million lives. This is Janata Bulletin. We'll be right back after a short break. Welcome back after the break. We continue with other national news. Mountain climbing in Nepal during the ongoing spring season has been adversely affected since Thursday due to the cyclonic storm formed over the Arabian Sea, according to the Department of Tourism, a report. Director of the Tourism Department, Meera Acharya, informed that hundreds of aspiring climbers are waiting for the fair weather window to summit the mountains. The expedition to climb the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, during the spring had kicked off since March 7. Since then, over 150 climbers have scaled the 8,848 meters high mountain, informed Acharya. Altogether, 408 climbers have obtained the permit to climb Everest this spring season. However, Acharya said that climbing of Mount Ahmadabalam has already completed this season. Meanwhile, meteorologists have suggested the climbers not to consider climbing during the challenging weather like this. The effect of cyclonic storm over the Arabian Sea has been seen in Nepal as well, according to meteorologist Min Kumar Aryal. Aryal recommended all the climbers to postpone their expedition until there is improvement in the weather condition. Aryal cautioned that the cyclone was moving towards the east from west and it would continue to impact the weather. Further impact on weather due to the cyclone is likely from Thursday onwards. Those who are in the higher camps are advised to descend and take shelter in the safer areas. And now the news from economic front. The price of gold has further increased in the domestic market. The price of gold, which increased by Rs 900 per 11 grams on Sunday, went further up by Rs 300 yesterday. The precious yellow metal was traded for Rs 92,800 yesterday, according to the Federation of Nepal Gold and Silver Dealers Association. Likewise, the price of silver also increased by Rs 5 per 11 grams. Silver was traded for Rs 1,355 per 11 grams yesterday. Time for a short break here at Janata Bulletin. Stay tuned for international news. Welcome back. Now the international news. US President Joe Biden has voiced his support for a ceasefire after 8 days of violence between Israel and Palestinian militants in Gaza. Biden told Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu that the US was working with Egypt and other countries on halting hostilities, but the US again blocked a UN Security Council statement calling for a cessation of violence. The conflict is now in its second week with little sign of ending. At least 212 people, including 61 children, have died in Gaza and 10 including 2 children in Israel. Israel says most of those killed in Gaza are militants and that any civilian deaths are unintentional, but Hamas, the militant group that runs the territory, disputes this. You're watching Janata Bulletin, and now the latest from the world of sports. Manchester City boss Pep Guardiola says striker Sergio Aguero is not guaranteed to Champions League final farewell because his squad selection will be cold and without sentiment. Aguero will leave City after 10 years when his deal expires in the summer. He faces a fitness test to play before the league season ends on Sunday. When asked if Aguero could face Chelsea in the European final on May 29, Guardiola said he will take a decision which is best to win. I could say I would be cold, he said. I have to be. If Sergio is fit, he is going to help us, that is for sure. If he is going to help us score goals, he is going to play, he added. We are at the end of Janata Bulletin and the headlines once again. Supreme Court orders government to prepare a work plan to protect people's lives, direct government authorities to ensure citizens get access to oxygen and basic medicines. Coronavirus claims 214 lives across the country. Number of active cases climbed to 113,000. Inclement weather affects mountain climbing since Thursday. Meteorologists warn weather could further worsen due to cyclone in Arabian Sea. US President calls for ceasefire in Gaza. American government working with Egypt and other countries to halt hostilities. And Sergio Aguero likely to miss Champions League final. The prolific striker faces fitness test to get selected in City squad. And that's all from the English News Desk for today. You can follow Janata Television and our programs on various social media platforms, including on our website, janatasamachar.com. Keep watching Janata Television. Namaste.